morning. Yesterday we have discussed 6 formulas, which is most important. Integration 1 by x square minus a square dx, formula 1 by 2a log of x minus a by x plus c. Integration 1 by a square minus x square dx, 1 by 2a log of a plus x by a minus x. Integration 1 by x square plus a square or a square plus x square dx, 1 by a tan inverse of x by a. Integration of 1 by root of a square minus x square sin inverse of x by a plus c. Integration of 1 by under root of x square plus a square log of x plus root of x square plus a square. Integration of 1 by under root of x square minus a square log of x plus root of x square minus a square. This is we have discussed. Those formulas you should practice and by hand the formulas compulsory. Next, the further problems all are dependent on those problems only. To find the integral of, now method started. This is one of the methods. Method means what I am telling, what I am discussing. We should follow strictly the rules. If this type of problem if there means we follow this rule only. That is called method. Are you following? So this type of question, numerator is dx, 1 dx, denominator no variable here, constant here. Denominator is quadratic equation. Yes. If it is this, the way of solving is steps. First, steps. Number 1, ax square plus bx plus c convert into x square plus a square or a square plus x square or x square minus a square form. How we can convert, how we can reduce? The procedure is, first a should take common, make it coefficient of x square always as a 1. Then x square plus b by ax plus c by a. Next, a into x square means a square. We should write a to the whole square form. A square plus 2 a how much is x? A is x. B 2ab by taking how much we get b by x. B by 2a. See, 2 get cancelled. B by x. Correct or not? So this is 2a square plus 2ab. This b not there here. This b by 2a whole square. B square add and subtract. The b square terms we should add and subtract. The remaining constant is plus c by a. Are you following this? Now, what is the use of this? A square plus 2ab plus b square. A into x plus b by 2a whole square minus b square by 4a square plus c by a. A into x plus b by 2a whole square plus, here what is the LCM here? 4a square. It comes here 4ac minus b square. This is your substitute. This is considered as t. Then in the form of t square plus this considered as constant a, x square plus a square. Maybe constant here, maybe get minus also because these are known. If it is big, if it is small, we will get negative here. So x square minus a square, or may get a negative here positive, a square minus x square form. Are you following? Second step, step 2, this is your substitute. Can integration of 1 by ax square plus bx plus c dx equal to 1 by a into x plus b by 2a whole square plus 4ac minus b square by 2a square root of a square root by 2a whole square. Can I write like this? Then let step 3 x plus b by 2a equal to t. Then dx, x differentiation is dx, this constant d differentiation is dt. 1, dx by dt is 1. Integration dx here. Dx equal to dt. By this is a constant. Take out. What are a common? This is t square plus a square. Maybe get minus also. So plus or minus. Depend on this constant. If it is big than this, we get negative. If it is small than this, we get positive. So plus or minus a square. Which form it contain? Use 1 by x square plus a square or x square minus a square. Then use step third. Use, we are reducing that form. Use integration formulas 1 by x square plus a square, comma dx by x square minus a square or dx by a square minus x square. Sometimes by taking minus it may come like this also. A square minus x square. Use these three formulas. Then substitute will get the answer. This is a way to solve the integration of 1 by x square plus dx plus c dx. What is the formula of this? Integration of dx by x square plus a square equal to 1 by a tan inverse of x by a. What about this? 1 by 2a log of x minus a by x plus c. This one 1 by 2a log of a plus x by a minus x. Now, problem integration 1 by dx by x square minus 6x plus 30. Is it contained that formula? This method? Yes. Now first we have to make it this in the form of lines. So consider x square minus 6x plus 13. Can I write like this? X square minus 2. Make it form of feminine whole square. A square minus 2a x. Tell me b by taking what value we get? 6x? 3. This is b square, 3 square added, subtracted. Clear my point is? Understood? Order point? Once again listen here. A square x square minus 2ab form. 2a is x. B we have to identify. The whole product should equal to minus 6x. So by taking 3, 2 into 3, 6x equal or not? So this is the b. So that is b square. When you write a square minus 2ab plus b square should be there. B square, to get that we should add and subtract. B square added, subtract. What is the remaining constant is 30. This constant have not changed. What is this much? Have made in the form of a square minus 2ab plus b square form. Understood? Now a square minus 2ab plus b square. Up to this. Tell me x minus 3 whole square minus 3 square is 9 plus 30. X minus 3 whole square minus 9 plus 30 plus how much? 4. See, plus we got it. If it is bigger than this, then we get minus. I said no, they are constant. Depend on the constant. If it is bigger than this, we get minus. If it is small than this, we get positive. This minus b square by 4a square equal to minus 9 and constant is 30. Right. This is substituting the integration dx by x square minus 6x plus 13 equal to dx by x minus 3 whole square plus 2 square. This is not x. Let x minus 3 equal to t. Let, because this differentiation is constant, x minus 3 equal to t. X differentiation dx by dt. This is 0, 1. So dx is equal to dt. Integration of dx is equal to dt by x minus 3 equal to t square plus 2 square, which is in the form of, now I have written the formula dx by x square plus a square equal to 1 by a tan inverse of x by a. 1 by a to tan inverse of x means t by a. So 1 by 2 tan inverse of t x minus 3 by 2 plus c. That is the answer. Are you following? Next, one more question. Integration 13x minus 10. So this is in the form of 1 by ax square plus bx plus c form. 3x square plus 13x minus 10 equal to, what we should take common? 3, because coefficient of x square make as a 1. Okay, 3 x square plus 13 by 3x minus 10 by 3 into x square plus 2a x b. By taking how much you get 13 by 3x? 2x already there. X will be there. 2x by taking how much you get 13 by 3? 13 by 6. Correct? 2 3 jump 6. So 13x by 3. Understood? So this is a b. 13 by 6 b square. We should add and subtract. 13 by 6 minus 10 by 3. 3 into x a square plus 2ab plus b square equal to x plus 13 by 6 whole square minus 169 by 36 minus 10 by 3. So 3 into x plus 13 by 6 whole square. LCM here 36 plus minus 169 minus 3 12 is 36. 12 into 10 120. Right? So 3 into x plus 13 by 6 whole square minus 169 minus 120 minus 9 8 289 by 36 plus and minus minus. Correct? So 3 into x plus 13 by 6 whole square minus 17 by 6 whole square. Correct? Right. Integration dx by 3x square plus 13x minus 10 equal to dx by 3 constant 1 by 2 common x plus 13 by 6 whole square minus 17 by 6 whole square. Let x plus 13 by 6 equal to t. X difference with respect of t, dx by dt. This is 1. So dx is equal to d. So 1 by 3 dx equal to dt by x plus 13 by 6 equal to t square minus 17 by 6 whole square. Which form it contains? Integration of 1 by x square minus a square dx. Formula 1 by 2a log of x minus a by x plus b. So 1 by 3, tell me, use this formula. 1 by 2a 17 by 6 log of x t minus a 17 by 6 t plus 17 by 6 plus c. Correct? This get cancelled. Okay, 3 also get cancelled. Now 1 by 17 log of where t is equal x plus 13 by 6 minus 17 by 6 by x plus 13 by 6 minus 17 by 6 plus C. Finish. Take x 6 LCM. Then we get 6x, which is equal to 1 by 17 log of 6x plus 13, or direct we can write x plus 13 minus 17 minus 4 by 6 divided by x plus 13 minus 17 plus it is 13 plus 17 30, right? 30 by 6, right? Plus C 1 by 17 log of 6 take LCM 6x minus 4. Here 6 take LCM 6x plus 1 plus 6. Finish. You got it. Here 1 by 17 log of, this is correct, but in competitive they make in the different form also. So here if you take common 2, 3x minus 2 by 6x plus 5 plus 6. Here 1 by 17 log m, this is into m, log m into n equal log m plus log of n, 3x minus 2 by 6x plus 5 plus C 1 by 17 log 2 plus 1 by 17 log of 3x minus 2 by 6x plus 5, okay, plus C1. Here C1 and this is constant. C1 plus this constant we consider as another constant. So that is 1 by 17 log of 3x minus 2 by 6x plus 5 plus C, which is equal to, C is equal to C1 plus 1 by 17 log 2. This is, they won't mention in the objective questions. They will write C constant. Here whatever you can put constant. But what is the constant value they won't mention. So the form, this form only they will give you. Okay, after getting this, don't confuse. After getting this, okay, this and this is same. Okay, by taking 3 common, it comes out. Okay, that is, and both together equal to constant. Same in the form of x square plus b plus x square plus 2x plus 2. First method form it is. Just I am giving names. Okay, what is this? Method 1, like that. Okay, in textbook it is not method 1, method 2 not a just for understanding purpose. While discussing the problem, we come to know that what is method 1, what is method 2. Okay, only for here, not for universal. Okay, x square plus 2x plus 2, x square plus 2a, a is x, b. By taking how much we get 2x? 1. So then add 1 square and subtract 1 square. B square minus b square. Next remaining constant is plus 2. Up to this is x plus 1 whole square minus 1 plus 2. X plus 1 whole square plus 1. Integration dx by x square plus 2x plus 2 equal to dx by x plus 1 whole square plus 1 square. Let x plus 1 equal to d, then dx equal to d. Integration of dt by d square plus 1 square, which is in the form of 1 by x square plus a square. Formula 1 by a tan inverse of x by a. 1 by a is 1. Tan inverse of x means t by a is 1. Okay, so tan inverse of t, where t is x plus 1. This is direct also, we can write 1 by t square plus 1 integration is tan inverse t, because tan inverse is differentiation is 1 by x square plus 1. Okay, so far we have discussed this type of methods problem. Integration of dx by ax square plus bx plus c. Next, method 2. Second method is to find integral of dx by under root of ax square plus bx plus c. What is the difference between first and second method? Square root. There root not there, here root added. Same procedure, what you have done there, same procedure, but using formulas are different. There root not there. If root not there means what formulas comes? X square plus a square minus x square minus a square. If root is there, root of x square plus a square, root of x square minus a square, root of a square minus x square. Just formulas. Procedure is same. What to do? First steps. First one, ax square plus bx plus c. First a take common, x square plus b by ax plus c by a. X square plus 2. A is x. B how much? B by 2. B by 2. Add plus b by 2a whole square minus b by 2a whole square plus c by 2. So a into x plus b by 2a whole square minus plus we get here 4a square, we get 4ac minus b square. Same procedure. Step 2, substitute that dx by root of ax square plus bx plus c equal to dx by a x plus b by 2a whole square plus 4ac minus plus or minus, if you plus or minus, by 2a root whole square. Let x plus b by 2a equal to t, then dx equal to t. So 1 by a integration of dt by t square plus or minus a square, where a is the constant. C square, or where here also there is capital A square, where a is equal to this is square root of 4ac minus b square by 3. Now use the formula. Tell me, third one, use which formula? Integration dx by root of x square plus a square, or dx by root of x square minus a square, or dx by root of a square minus a square. Use these formulas. What is the integration of this? Log of root is there, log of x plus root of x square plus a square. If root not there, 1 by a tan inverse of x by a. Don't confuse. Be careful. Here, if without root, what is the answer? What is the integration? 1 by 2a log of x minus a by x plus a. With root, log of x plus root of x square minus a square. This without root, 1 by 2a log of a plus x by a minus x. With root of x square minus x square, integration is sin inverse of x by a. Use this formula. Okay. Next problem, integration of dx by square root of 5x square minus 2x. 5x square minus 2x. This contains this formula ax square plus bx plus c is 0 here. First simplify 5x square minus 2x equal to, first what to take common? 5, because coefficient of x square, but make as 1. X square minus 2 by 5x. 5 into, this is made in the form of a square minus bab plus b square. X square minus 2 already is there. 2 x will be this is only x 2a this is a as x. B we should find the product should get equal to 2 by 5x. 2 by 5 if you take 2 into 2 4 by 5x. 2 by 10 means 1 by 5. 2 by 10 means 1 by 5. Yes? 4 by? Multiply now. 2x by 5 or not? Yes? Multiply this. You will get 2 by 5 x or not? Understood? If you take 4 by 5 means 2 into 4, 8 by 5. 8 by 5 not. So tell me the B. 1 by 5. Dot square. 1 by 5 whole square minus 1 by 5 whole square. Add and subtract. No other constant. This is a square minus 2ab plus b square equal to x minus 1 by 5 whole square. Given dual square minus 1 by 5 whole square. Finish. Substitute that integration of dx by root of 5x square minus 2x equal to dx by square root of 5 into x minus 1 by 5 whole square minus 1 by 5 whole square. Right? This place 5x square minus 2x replaces 1 by root 5 take out.